Hi guys, this is going to be a tutorial on how to make a game in KGS. So when you first start, you will be in the English game room. And we don't want to be in this room because all of our AGHS tournaments will be in the AGHS tournament room. So let's switch to this room. If you don't know how you join this room, there's another tutorial on the website. So to make this game, you will first click the custom game button on the top right. Right now, you can see all the game settings are not set and messed up. So to change that, we can first click demonstration. So all of the settings are available for us to change. Let's just follow the rules for our upcoming Blitz tournament, which is AGA rules. The time settings is 30 seconds main time followed by 3 peers, 10 seconds Baoyomi. So let's do that. We'll change this to AGA. Change the Kumi, or change the main time to 30 seconds. And we'll change, yeah, and everything else is set. So now you can change it back to free and you're ready to go. But if you're also assigned a handicap game, you can also change the handicap settings over here. And then you can click back to free. You can write your opponent's name on the top so your opponent knows that this game is made for them. And you press OK, and then the game will show up in this white space over here. If your opponent joined the game, their name will show over here. And then you can change the black and white settings. And then press OK, and you guys can play. Thank you.